Carnival World Mastercard Credit Card Login from Barclays Bank Online. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Carnival Credit Card Login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one, cards.barclayscards.com. Open it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily log into your account. The Carnival World Mastercard is a solid offering from the cruise line known for being affordable and fun. The card has an easy-to-earn welcome bonus, no annual fees, and no foreign transaction fees. The Carnival World Mastercard is currently offering a sign-up bonus of 2,000 fun points after your first purchase or balance transfer. In order to log into your account, you have to provide your credentials. So firstly, type in your username and then type in your password. If you want to save your username, check in for this option, remember username. In the case you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of login, and with that you will be logged into your account. If you haven't created your account yet, you can click on this option of sign up for online access and do that. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily log into Carnival World Mastercard Credit Card from Barclays Bank Online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.